Hey guys, so today I got the, what is the name? MacBook Air. And I'm going to be unboxing it right now. Crap. Yeah, I'm not really good at unboxing stuff. Take it out. It's hard unboxing something with one hand. I also got this adapter thing so I can, because like, it only has these two things. Oh, to see. No. There. It's beautiful. But before we get to that, let's check out all the stuff. We got the cable thing.
Ponga luz, póngase un ratito, platiquen, entra y aquí, espérame.
We also got this charging stuff. Oh yeah, stickers and stuff. I'm keeping the stickers. Unless you can have one for your flip cam. So yeah, I'm gonna go set this up, and I'll see you guys when I set it up. Okay guys, so I just finished setting it up, and guess this is it. So yeah, I'm not gonna be using the old Acer computer I have with me. I'm gonna be using this MacBook Air. So yeah, all my video quality should be increasing. And with that, this was a really short video actually. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Also, shout out to Best Buy for giving me this for at a cheap price of $900.